me na so.
Me am to me.
Am fa ho se me nka ho. Se me ye bi o se bi ye bi o. Se na ejibi no mejibi o se me ye greedy bastard. And ye minim.
Na prophet Baduko bi ho ye de.
Waso wanya sorry nti minim se ne ho ya na ne ho nye. Ko ka so sorry dan ka minim se ne ho ye. No waso wanya sorry ne de sa the bokrat ayi kan sa na asem le tie dia.
Mate sa video no. O ka se omo a criticizing no mu nim de omo keka.
Nti onu onim de o ka. Ti beti sa bra minim se ne ho ya na ne ho nye. Baby owo bia prophet mechia wo ene anopay. But meka se onim sasa asem na aba amanfo atete hu group amanfo de gi hu din ya de no and so that me hu say nke wo say man say attention no
oh we sure
oh yes me say wo be ka chem say bunufo moa ebunufo agimi na me hwa me ho na me nyimi ya nche say wo a wo kan no wagimi o ka chem me say magimi anaza me greedy na me hwa me ho na me nye greedy a wagimi or conclusion research aye ni nyina bogus. So you wasted your time and your energy to do your whatever research also Ubi be bogus in the ni nyina mekabo mu you are not making sense. It's me who the entire obi abama that judgment na me funny serious amanfo atete hu group wonim sese wudi sa ethnocentrism na chi bebre a wo momu twa ho eba beye maka say tribalist because wo no mo a wo kan na me ye ho me fan say bi obi adi me bunu ni atem na bunu fo de say baby akire na wonu bi a on kan wan ka bi aja wo ya ka say tia enti say ono na waka obi an said ya asem bia wo so mu de but mommy antwa so yeah my papa na trended do
because I think that was the position in society and because or Paul Peter will preach it to a man for and non to be a more fat the statement this year because when him say Ghana hano one thing a high stereotypes are your efa equal be tribes be enti say who elevating to that platform you entrench as stereotypes no and nothing that was say a man 14 to so kakra emani who say and again on him sanka said ya woka no the day after and I will be show remorse because there was this other tape about Prophet Odru. Immediately we should rejoin that.
Sure.
But in the case of Bedukobino, still insistent say the Okayano. In or say or more antenna or more criticizing in SIA Jimmy for. Can you imagine?
I don't want to imagine. No. I mean,
what you are saying, I think your Drew level now, people should be a bit bold in telling them in the face, and on him the army yane say for the position no holding. On say Ghana hano say obi e osofo obi e nyame nipa. A man for associating with wisdom. Say o kan bibia e wo say ye bibia eto akoma so nyansa ewom and if in semi from anoba and we no say or radio station be ye interview no kan you
ana so odi nkomo
keke. This is a man standing behind the pulpit preaching.
Enti mame fa preaching we fa Ghana for ye nyina meka ho by their fruits
we shall know them.
Enti say oye sofo mpo na wutie no oye me fa so ye muslimi oye wo imam a odi wati o na wo sheik ena okasa ti asam na wo kan fa mu aba sa wo hwe na say de oka no ojijiwa kokun a na
watcho ho
Enfa ho ni nipa oye nipa ena nipa nso kra ye nyi aye ko ye nimade achi ade san nipa ya adwen etimi kra adane no but obi nim de ebi kra ha no menka se bia papa no ena
baby ha no
but nipa ye nyi na ne mesesa ye wo asofo bi e bagi din pa wie kire ye hu wo mo se na se bogos ye wo meka se ada professional nipa bagi din pa wie kire hwe na se na omo ma ye poison pa ofin na no omudi kun yen enti stemfa ho ne baby an wadru wotena se na bu nkonta na hwe na enne papa first na meka asa na sebi o Kenyan sasem se de chaff no dey ba ignore him na da obebie na no abeti bia no we say ade asa hu so ni bi na epeti go no enti momma yenyan sai asa ye ma na ye kese ye pejam minua papa so opache wo ampache wo asam no wadi kan aka na mom wo reaction na wodi be hia asam no ena bema ebetimi a trigger bibi bone nyame adom say radio for media for nyina ya so me aka ma obi ahu ni sase ma kan ye no enye wan kan ye
ba wo hwe omon so a e demand the omo nyina kan say ompachew he should render a public apology and when him say apology war a kwan e fa so a e ma manfo ebo to won yam ne ade but if the man is insistent not just ono no say the me ne wo hu ne say the kan ne nye no ono hu ne say enye wo. And that is where the problem is. Because the point is that he will still stand on that pulpit and make those claims. And oh yes, Sana, because what sorry for no? Because the Nippon you knew met now was sorry them. In Wababet now sorry them no. And you want you maybe a Dwaso Nsem na a register one for subconscious. Sure. In the Oya Santini, Oya Fantini or Tewa sorry them. What can it constantly? Infants any Nippon youth, Afena Oni, Oswa. What can it constantly as an deform Maya Nibre? Before my Jimmy in a 23 you are killing a man for self-confidence. It is a imagine saying a year out here sorry them hobby. Say me year the own wubas and the wua men worry asantini. Can you imagine? In the answer would tongue of 40 and it kills a man for self-confidence. And that's why I was saying said your kind in yet and render that apology. Oh, so sad, yeah, it's not proper.
Yeah, as I'm not kind, no. If a baby so see a harder than Obi, Mamen come more tribes to say Asante Aibe Awari.
Yeah.
The moment Asantini Bakasa or call Aibe Awari, no Busian for
so stereotypes in the
Aibe Bakasa or call Asante Awari, Pena, acquire style. And I say Asantini, Bununimefasa Chinese or Warri Nodna. Bonse. As a home you kakraba e ni kunu no kraye enti ya wo kasa bi obo say ayigwefo ya kan agbe o ayigwefo but ntafo obunu ni aboa asantini omo kan say asante kwa say opa che say ho awo asa wonya na besisi no ya wo sa kasa no wo fie yeka nya no so obi anani abia na wantete enka
that's true
obi o wantete enka sa kasa no bi ti so obi etimi pejam kokodu that level I was say nipa ne say de woni ni hia anasa o treating no you have to be careful with him so be pejam kokodu that level I was say o start na baby anu o peja na si no o de ne ba form enya sa one na ekwa akokon I say de wu dware na obodamfo be ni ntuma na do hu enso ni di na chi wa bonten so enti e free cyber ko woni ni dili anasa wutie nanum asem a na wa ma wani ada ho media sa na me hu no me hu say and you can't say me man that attention na apologize no I go to say kwada o si woni die na e krokro no mo waka o de onko nanim onto ne panko be hia difo
onto ne panko obehia difo
tefo fancha me asam na no to pako na be hia difo
eno ne ka no kasen kodu
masumunto
but you read the newspapers naked
and na daily guide the Democrat enu ni enu so for some of we bie wo yasen ato ne na asam wo de kokoto court animu no ato agu asam kono the Democrat daily guide Kratafe to so me say Bernard Nsem na fa be wo sunti ye bo ne tawtaw afei ye say said ye tutu dams na amanfo agi ye kinye se eni ho no ya kyro bebi ebi wo bi abetimi afa ka no akwa akwa opekra fa drone na boso te said ye say bi wutuo okokodu abehu dams we nya gini fouls amoka asam kwa akoyen no anasam confirm na amosem yen a ye du ta ma nipa ba be papa dance amose wo mo kwa didie wo yi bebi wo mo man no we ye Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia na ka kire NDC amanyoko no sanso so and was say so frimpon yeah the bus companies yeah wabua be for pa so frimpon the buses no we have baby okopa ye bon hafo bono ne hafo
from Kumasi to Bono hafo ana
Accra to Bono to Bono East to Bono Ankasa nti Bono hafo no nyina honom woye adwuma ho pa nti wa winning award 4th Vivo Energy Award nyankopon enka no ho eno so the Democrat Adom Nsem aba tanso so na Ghanaian Times DB aba hanom ye mampani Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo African way onu nie Ochia Broni wone Hans Peter Langs ena edensa ato ensa yemu a wo mo echia yi wo se sede yani esie kwan a ye kono ye pese Ghana be kakra ne interest rate na a single digit enye ene ye se aban se mankasa nkasa ne 16 ti ebedru banks no mudi be keka ho de to akeka kan ho na se bi nam 22 na ebi ko 24 bi kura agi 26 baby altiri be ye na ko be se 18 enti aban se nani abre se be kakra no okwa akwaje bosia yes interest rate no be a 4%, 5%, 2% and the higher Dubai. And on this one
African countries nibi was single digit interest rate.
And African countries nibi. Ghana. Any angle anymore you won't pay. Forestry Commission say e wo hoda da say ansa na ubeyo before Ghana hanom no et e wo say ukita krata tumi krata e chesa mpa tumi ko nwuram kokokumwa. Wɔn atimu bi o ka kyerɛ Ghana abɔfo nyinaa mo amu gyina ka akwa mo amoton nam na be ka kra du hɔ no mo a ye misa ne bo be bi sa certificate and so license a wodi ko nwuram na de kokokuma boa no na sese wɔn se free watch ne day kokko si September no September da duasa da duasa a etwa kyese de etwa to kra no mbe nko nwuram kokokuma boa bia enkokuma bobia mabra akrante ne ho ntɔ no kakra bra okusie enkɔbɔ no wɔn si nkokuma bobia wɔn nyema wo entija wo na wo nore waye kese enkwada no wo cho wasi nsɔhwe wa fi mu no wo so nsunsanso na ba na wo ayo wo sate sade wo ato no results best 48,855 bi de wo amoa no eti se to anaze yeye hwani no wo se wo susu senkeka wakakra wo ho a wo so bo akire enti eno de bokrata yi de abasanso na si aposifo achibokina faso bond track bia wasi PFJS fertilizers a eya Ghana ban ene de abasie mfampeti afudie so na ye hwan ebo no so sade be akuafo a wo ma Ghana munya mmobonti no ye se nipa bonfo bi alodu ka mienu a na nka wode kwa menoni akwakoton Dr. Owusu Afriye Akoto, Minister of Food and Agriculture on na nia brehwem foni anipa na de to ha wo ya de presence wo papa na wetim se nia bre ye wi fertilizer na de gu na nima se ye ma papa nhunu ho ano ene se democrat se ya chiri bi eti papa no e se de menim se na kuma beto ne yem kakre san sa nya hwe wanya results
but we issue bi wo wasi results e ma say core subject omu fail pa English
omu fail em
the omanya de pa no English language and the irony for me and say unim say Ghana your official language English in fact uko school are the medium of instruction English sign a core subject but still and also ni fail pa
yeah kasa
no, but I know na mid it is a nipa no medium of instruction English official language English no.
Yes, instructions baby on tiase.
We are hon sohwe na so muntimi mpaase a then maybe there is something ayenye ne ye.
Ene wunim. Na chese nunti na ma science no so yentwa ne ye san se kasa na wo de kire me no wo de ma instructions no menti ase ye. Ena eno anso na wo de kire me konta. Enti abeda na de aka masi ase. But what you say? There
is something fundamentally wrong. I was saying, yeah, share minim how best we can deal with that.
Make I say, yeah, basic. Yes, basic education no. Yen shase
from nipa no mother tongue.
Akasa ye de ye no tata, ye de je ne tata, kamama kadada je aduane no. Yes, eno na sese ya shase a ye de ekire enkwada no ade. Nanso eno ye Ghana Education Service na eka. Ukọ private schools na. Eno ye mfa nya adwuma. Obatan na wo ne ba wo fie no, odi broken English. Ono ne bro for te say.
And I would no problem with though. Because wo no opesa wo ba ete brofo a enti by force obafia ye ne nka kasa bia brofo obrofo ne nso nya papa enti wo ba no politi ne mo okọ school na teacher kasa da bi we nka ne say hey me ma me say ne na wa confuse ya
bi wonu kura did ni tintini we be fit teacher de no
obi uni maybe language policy ni say the medium of instruction
yes
for lower primary maybe preschool lower primary.
Yeah, preschool to at least class 3.
Class 3.
Yeah.
Should be local language.
Local language.
Then from there, from class 4.
Yeah, the English, you know.
English. But that is only applicable in public schools.
Public schools.
Meanwhile, a lot of the schools are one.
Private.
Look, let me tell you, if you take every basic structure of English language, sentence structure.
Yeah.
Complete the sentence and translate it into your language.
Your language, your local language.
You will see, say, it will fall in place. If you translate every basic sentence, simple sentence, into your local language and it doesn't fall in place, it means the construction in itself is
a problem.
And you know, say, Yansha say, amfa a language policy na nyejuma. This English problem.
And me challenge where you say. We are deliberate into solve problems. It identifies a problem no any year in year out. Medium of instruction ye English. Official language ye English. who student a fail English, which is a core subject. I don't understand. And
yes, and I'm telling you, year in year out, we get people who come to us and say they want to do internship. Writing has become a problem.
It's a major
people
problem.
Can no longer
I'm for trial.
I'm telling you.
And only the even official application letters or they compare Jumano. Okay, application
letters. I've seen people with master's degree simple reports of meetings or minutes of meetings.
And it's terrible. Terrible English. Sentence construction is a problem. Fundamentally, there is something wrong. Yeah, who said because linguistics will gone. Language policy was a serious issue because when him so what they are calling ma kasa ne mother tongue from preschool to at least class 3 now oti basics na se e wo no ane kasa mu a otimi kira ase ye it was how the English they started from class 4 ekwa neoma fall in place boom no by intimi fanya adwuma the challenge is on say private schools not also so free so more unique selling proposition and a competitive advantage or more say okay yeah Cambridge accredited yeah Pearson why accredited and masa obeka hwe amfa o ka bibia amfa
e dey nkwala ne chebrofo nkwala ne pa mu tete no o ka brofo
brofo bia ma me ne be ka wo fi
eh jai jai mama me ka bu ha me nyaso
brofo yi so say wo dey twi ka kire
it's for you. It's for you. And your question.
No. It's for you.
It's for you. Mama, it is coming.
Now, what is it? Maybe say, me mama no man cabro for fieda. In the mental bro. That means my cabro for. Go school, you have a bro for a fied at least mother tongue makulani to me. What is them kulani bebre? On to me can the chrome castle.
Aye. I have some. Do a back answer so or can't cassa. Men for me need men for men cassa so your microphone. Near to a friend from science. English language in the Sanqualani failing no mucha masa. Near Yame. Aqualo be fail English or be chamas or be science. Nenyamina bum. It's the best. I send one that's what sells. Sana the bureaucrat yi kana on say na one that so our
condition condition
enye 1 billion Ghana cedis omo muske mo ka mo ho bobom na mo say 1 billion yen ka say mo fa nkonkwoto ho ya se odwane an ye beje afri mu ho you get it ai ja fa mbasa to
omo nka mo sika mo bom
na mo fa nkonkwoto bank odwane an mo ama so na mo de ko na ye den ma mo hu nipa mo bo me boy ne me penasem o me penasem pa seriously. Oh, I join the bag and I any home rat.
106.3 Adom 106.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM. Jim FM.